The conviction of Indian Mujahideen terrorists in the Batla House case has vindicated the Delhi police stand. Tonight, the bleeding hearts and those who shed tears for the terrorists, by calling it a fake encounter, have gone completely silent. They don't want to talk about these issues. They thought they could set the narrative. They failed, and they've gone completely silent now. Here is why they should apologize, and then we debate.
September 13, 2008, 5 synchronized blasts killed at least 25 people in the national capital. A week later, on September 19, 2008, Delhi police stormed a house in Batla House locality, a hideout of Indian Mujahideen. 2 terrorists were killed in the gun battle, and Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma of Delhi Police's special cell was martyred. 13 years after the encounter, Indian Mujahideen terrorist Aris Khan was convicted for murdering the police officer. And the focus is back on those who tried to politicize and polarize the encounter by calling it fake.
There was a conscious, deliberate and consistent attempt to cast serious doubt over the authenticity of this Batla House incident, designed to weaken the morale of the Delhi police and give clear support to terrorists and their design. Why? For pure vote bank politics.
So was there a deliberate attempt to weaken the morale of the police who fought terrorism with statements like this?
Complicated mesh of cases in which these boys are involved, and if the police can bring them to justice quickly, and that there can be a closure on these trials, so that we know exactly how accountable they have been made, it would be a good thing. It'd be a closing of a bad chapter.
कि अगर दिल्ली पुलिस का एक बहादुर इंस्पेक्टर मोहन चंद शर्मा मारा जाए, जिसको अशोक चक्र मनमोहन सिंह और सोनिया जी की सरकार ने दिया, उनके नेता पूरी दिल्ली पुलिस के खिलाफ हाथ धोकर पड़ गए, इससे बड़े शर्म की बात कोई हो सकती है?
Did politics of appeasement weaken the fight against terrorism?
आज 13 साल के बाद चूंकि 5 चुनाव हैं, इसलिए आपको ये बटला हाउस एनकाउंटर याद आ रहा है। चुनाव लड़िए, आपने क्या काम किया है, आपने क्या विकास किए हैं, और आप कांग्रेस को कहते हैं कि ये आतंकवाद के साथ खड़ी रही है। साध्वी प्रियंका को तो आपने पार्लियामेंट का मेंबर बना रखा है।
With the police stand vindicated, will the sympathizers now apologize? Let's debate.